after 2 days here, we are moving again, this time to the beach. It's El Zonte. Yesterday we did a lot of research into how to get from here to El Zonte, and it was very, very complicated using the public buses. So what we decided was to get a van. It's going to cost $75 for the 5 of us, so it works out $15 each. It's expensive, but it saves us about 4 hours, which means we can actually be productive today. I fell in the water with these shoes yesterday and tried to dry them overnight, but they absolutely stink.
Do we have everything? Let me do one more thing.
We have made it to the beach. I have to say, the El Salvadorian roads are probably the best we've seen. Better than Mexico, better than Belize, better than Guatemala, definitely better than Honduras. Sorry, Honduras. But we did see 3 really bad crashes, all involving trucks, which wasn't good. Little bit of confusion when we came there. It was like he was expecting 4 people, so we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4 beds, but he's gonna put a mattress on the floor here. We have a bathroom in here, desk, air conditioning, so not too bad. ¿Cómo se llamas?
Su nombre es Paco.
Paco.
Paul, you want a cracker?
One of the best sights I've ever seen. A proper coffee machine in a hostel. We ended up going for a few drinks last night. Everyone else seems to be slightly hungover. I've avoided it, thankfully. But I did get a bite here, I think, in the middle of the night from like a mosquito. Obviously this room isn't going to keep mosquitoes out, so that's probably going to be the norm for the next couple of nights. Today I want to go for a walk along the beach and see if I can find any like sea arches or sea caves.
Hey you guys, welcome to my new vlog. We are in El Zonte, let's check it out.
What are we doing today, Vincent?
Yay, surfing!
Yes. So apparently you can rent surfboards for $10 for 24 hours, and we're feeling a little bit on the tight side, so myself, Vincent and Sarah are just going to get one between us and do maybe 2-3 hours of surfing, see how we get on. Minimal experience in surfing. Vincent probably has the most, so he might give us a few tips and tricks.
I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah, we will see. Thank you. Is there a drop there? Oh, feck. Is that rocks? Nah.
Get out. Oh, sh**.
How did you find the surfing, guys? What about you, Keely? Shut up. It is Super Bowl Sunday and we are heading to El Tunco, which is a bigger town nearby, to hopefully watch the Super Bowl.
Yeah, that was neat.
How's the cereal bar?
Hungry. What?
Who's gonna win the Super Bowl?
Bengals because I'm wearing orange.
Lovely. Who's gonna win the?
I'm going to go for the underdogs, the Bengals as well.
Who's gonna win the Super Bowl? Bengals.
Even when I'm well out.
Time.
And Martine, who's gonna win the Super?
Other Rams are gonna win.
The Rams. I am gonna go for the Rams as well. Hola, Caco's Bar.
A la otra calle y luego agarran para abajo. Tantito abajo donde estamos los compañeros de nosotros, ahí está bajito.
Ok, perfecto. Gracias. Oh, the head, he's bombing on the sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. I lost the GoPro. A big, massive wave hit me right in the face when I had the head strap on and I fell into the water and I couldn't grab it. So I'm gonna spend the majority of the day searching for this GoPro. Maybe about an hour and a half later, still no GoPro. I've downloaded an app that can like track Bluetooth devices in a certain range, maybe like triangulate its location. I also borrowed some guys' glass goggles and lost those as well. So now I have to pay for those. Again, it is multiple hours later. The next plan of attack is to make some signs. We did another search at low tide there, right before sunset, and we established where it probably is in this place where like all of the rocks and loads of other stuff washes up. So we're gonna go at low tide tomorrow morning and try again. After that, I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably have to just accept that it's gone. Myself and Sarah are going out now. We're gonna go for a meal because it is Valentine's Day, but not a Valentine's Day to remember really. We're here on our very romantic Valentine's Day and can't get away from the other three. Wake up, bro.
That's annoying.
What, that time passes?
Yeah.
Tell me, what's the plan? What are we doing today?
I'm gonna make me some lunch with potatoes, onions, and tomatoes, and then we're gonna rent some scooters.
I have accepted that the GoPro is gone. I went for a little look this morning and sun was hot. I gave up after 20 minutes.
Loser.
Oh, I know. I still have this camera. This is gonna be myself and Sarah's bike.
Es para bloquear eso.
Okay, lock the wheel.
Sí.
Yeah, sweet. How'd you find that?
It was fun. We went really fast. If you ain't first, you're last.
You can be second or third or fourth.
I think the scariest moment was when I was reaching my top speed.
Yeah, which was?
55 kilometers. And then there was a huge hole in the ground and I hit it. And I didn't touch the motor at one point.
Can you please don't?
Can you please don't? We're trying to fake out.
Just about to get going again, but Vincent's and Kylie's bike lock is a little bit broken.
It's absolutely broken.
Oh. Okay. We have just stopped in the middle of the road because Kylie and Vincent's bike, I think, has ran out of petrol. So do we have to come back? I don't know. Are they out of petrol?
Like the battery?
The battery. They're just over here. Somebody's going to help them jumpstart, I think. So just out of fuel.
Yeah. We just died.
We are leaving tomorrow. Not looking forward to tidying up this mess.
I bought these grapes in.
No, they're bad. Put them away.
I think I bought these in Belize.
Oh my god.
As the others are packing up their stuff, I've come out here to finish the vlog. Tomorrow we're heading to Nicaragua, and tomorrow also marks the day that we're going to be parting ways with the rest of the gang. I'll see you in the next one.
It's a screenshot.
It said, I think it scanned it. What did you say?
So maybe you can just go there and show your WhatsApp PDF. Try to convince them to let you in.
So we are still at the Honduran-Nicaraguan border. 2 girls in our bus. The people behind us aren't accepting their PCR tests. They're not going to be allowed across the border, and I don't think there's much they can do. So Martin has also just told me that he thinks customs here, immigration closes at 8 p.m. and it's like 8:05 now, so we could all be stuck here.